every single one of you beautiful people. Hope you are fantastic. This is LFP3. Hello, you beautiful people. How are you? My name is Emil. I'm a forex trader, and let's make some trade plans for this upcoming week. I've asked you guys to, what do you think I should focus on today? Dollar, euro, pound, or gold? That's kind of up to you. What do you feel like I should be focusing on today? So, let's jump into it. Hello! Welcome very much, Lipilu. Happy to have you here today. We have Tommy Lee as always. We have Mohammed. We have Ben. We have Cryptocart. Investor is always here. And JJ is here for the Kings. Fantastic. You guys are so funny. So, what is going to happen today is we're going to go through some seasonality, some COT reports, just the major ones that's important. We need to go through some other things that I'm thinking of that we need to go through, and then we'll sort of wrap it up. George says, hey all! Ben says, happy to be with me! Happy to be with you too. Sarah says, hello. So the other thing is, where are you from? Where are you from? I don't do this too often. I really like to know where you guys are from, because I want to know if there's, is there anyone sitting in Amazonas, trading from the from the savannah in Africa, in Amazonas in Brazil, or from the high towers of Taipei, just for fun stuff. Netherlands. George says Kenya. Karibu sana. Cryptocur says Netherlands. Tommy says Vancouver. Well, that's pretty far away, by the way. USA, Lupilou, yes. And then we have Netherlands. Netherlands is, for me, I take KLM. I took KLM to Kenya. And Netherlands to me is I don't know what that is. Yeah, and the most funny word they have in Netherlands is instappen. For those who understand. Those who understand. Those who are German, Norwegian, Swedish, Danish, whatever. Instappen is what they say when we are boarding. I don't know why I have suitcase thoughts about that one, but there it is. Scheveningen is a city. Yeah, cool. Fantastic. Vancouver, Abu Dhabi, Abu Dhabi. And then France, it says Vilipi, oui. That's the only France I can do today. I don't know. What's bonjour, maybe? Welcome. Translate. Okay, cool. And then we should find out what is it in English, and then we should welcome. And then in Norwegian, that is not welcome. Engelsk, it is not Norwegian. It is well. What's wrong with you today? Welcome. Velkommen. And then in French, Fransk, that's Norwegian. But oui. If you're male, or bienvenue, something like that. Scheveningen. Cool. So that's just fun. So, where do I think dollar's gonna go? Where do I think gold's gonna go? Where do I, how do we keep this one going? So I'm trying to be as efficient as I possibly can to have your attention, because I'm doing a lot of YouTube videos. You guys lose attention that quick. So I'm going to be fast. So, as fast as the lightning I can be, I want to give you guys this one here. And then seasonality for dollar. Seasonality for dollar for Mr. September is falling hard, which it did on Friday. having a pullback, and then boom, all the way down to profit target. Remember here, everyone, that is very important, that I don't know, well, seasonality wise we are a bit different here, because we have done tapering not so many times in the past. I don't know if taper tantrum has happened once before, so it's kind of new territory. So, but still, you know, market still goes well. So the other one that I want to do was it Aussie? Aussie is pretty interesting. This goes up at least in the beginning. I like that. CAD falls at least in the beginning, and then falls in the end at least. Euro has a very significant higher high. So that's those I think I want to mention. Oil, gold, silver, S&P 500, Nasdaq. Just giving you the attention, and then I will go out of that. Okay, cool, whatever. So if you want that PDF, that is in the membership group. So I will try to make that, you know, as fast as I can for September. Sarah says Iran, Spain. That's very interesting. Hello, Bidal. It's Bidal, Lezo. B-Y. B-Y. Okay? D-A-L-L. Okay? How difficult can it be? So, anyways, so what am I thinking for dollar? Seasonality-wise, we are thinking dollar bearish. Okay. Mr. Jerome Powell said that, well, let's not be so fast on the not be so fast on the tapering. So, dollar weakened on Friday. Is that the general trend? Let's look at general trends on this thing. General trends is okay, up, okay, bullish, 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 bullish. The general trend is still bullish. That is past performance, not negative future results. Whatever has happened in the past doesn't necessarily need to happen in the future. I said that fast. I know, my opinion. Whatever I'm saying today is only my personal opinion, by the way. Okay, cool. So the other thing is that I want to do. Maybe I'm a bit close to you guys. So the other thing that I want to mention is, what if we continue to fall? Well, then we continue to fall. But I honestly think that yens is a better trading pair for September. The reason is that we are going now into like Brexit things where what happens in the market is kind of like opinions. Kaplan, Fed member Kaplan can say one thing, and then Skibotskis can say something else, and then Powell can say something else, and then Yellen can say something totally different, and now we have this up and down in the dollar. So I'm just saying that my volatility index in my brain is at the moment going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, so I forgot to tell that I'm live to my people. I'm sorry for that. So I'm just telling my people that I'm live. Weekly forecasts. There we are, and then ethics. Cool. Great. I'm out of Discord. So how are you? I'm doing very well. I think USD go down. Let's see how far it is. Yes. If you are dollar bullish, I'm not going to discourage you at all whatsoever. But I'm just going to say that, yeah, it is going to be whatever. So I'm hoping for yens to weaken more than anything else. So let's make some trade plans on Aussie first, maybe Aussie first. Oh, we don't have internet now. Okay, cool. That's fun. Take that off. Cool. Euro can be a sell. Yes, sir. That can definitely be a sell. Hello, Manuel Godwin. Hello. Teddy Bear is here. Woohoo! And then what else? Yeah. So this is kind of like Friday. So is this bull? So what's the general direction of this market? Let's do a general market reaction thing here. It is on the 4-hour bearish. On the 1 hour, it's bullish. So if you figure out these pivot point things, if they just bother to come up on the weekly side, we can say, well, that's a good sell. Okay. Is there any new information in this candle? Yes, I would say so. I would say there's a new tone from the Fed, so this can just continue higher, for that matter, and take profit at around 74. But what I would hope for is a pullback down to 72.50 and then higher, up to 74, whatever. Okay, so I want to be a buyer down here. That's 100% of that candle. I don't know if I will get it ever. I don't know if I will ever see it happen down there. But that's kind of, you know, what we have to tell ourselves. What do we want to see before we buy? What are we willing to do to gain whatever? Now, there's NFP this week. So that means that we can actually just go straight to take profit, do some stuff, and then either skyrocket or fall down on Friday. Okay? This is kind of a general idea I have for NFP week. Or we go straight down and, you know, do something like that until Friday, and then boom, either down or up, depending on what NFP does. NFP is very important. It can turn out to be very important because everything depends on the labor market now. Labor market, another indicator of labor market is the NFP. The Fed said that we have met, or Powell said we have met the conditions for inflation. We have not reached where we want to be when it comes to the job market. Okay? Great. There's a lot of comments here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hello, Godfather. Is this market corrective or trending? I would say it's trending, but we shall see. I don't know. I don't do corrective though. I don't know what that means even. Pound dollar, pound yen. Well, yeah, cool. Buy the dip. Can you sell Euro USD? Or Aussie USD for that matter? Well, let's go to Euro USD. So I have already mentioned to you guys what I want to see, okay? Great. Fantastic. For Euro USD, seasonality for Euro is strong. Seasonality for dollar is weak. Okay. Another thing to mention here is that we are coming into the monthly sell pivot. Just mentioning that one fast and easy, as fast as I can before the sun goes down. That is here and that is here at the moment. Okay, cool. Then I go back to weekly. So, then what do we do now? This is M3. That is M3. That is a weekly target. Okay. Then I would be mostly to sell from around 1850. That would probably be a good sell for me if I was a seller. Another thing that I'm also looking at right now is that we are at a higher high in this market. Is that a good thing? No, maybe it's a high. So can you sell it from here? I wouldn't personally sit here and sell this thing down, no. But if you get some reversal, some double tops, and maybe some lower lows, some lower time frames, maybe. Currently, that is just a range. So you have to break lower than 1780, and then come back to that price and then sell it. But do remember, ladies and gentlemen, that we have buyer pressure at 1760 area. So if you sell at 1780, you only have 20 pips left to 1760, which is the first buy price, and the second buy price is 1740. So we shall see which one you're getting. My point being is, this is an area to look for sell. Price can fall from here. This is a buy area, and I'm generally looking for a buy, generally, but if it comes up to 1860, 1850 area, hitting target on Tuesday, Oh, that's just a perfect one. So, I need to be humble. I need to see. I can see their plan. I'm going to stick to my plan, but I can see their plan. Okay, know know your competitors just as good as you know yourself, and you know when they will market, then when they will attack. Don't be in front of them. Do better. One of the better marketing tactics I've ever seen is Volvo in one of these what do you call it, Super Bowls, where when like they pay the other car manufacturers pay tons of money for commercials, where Volvo just made people said to people, whenever you see a car commercial, go to Twitter and hashtag whatever Volvo cars or whatever it is. Just that. And Volvo got the most attention for the most and got the most value out of that, and they did not spend anything else than a car, because it said to people, we'll give you a car, you can be in competition to win a car if you just do this under the commercials and when you see another car manufacturer commercial. Fantastic, right? So know your competitors. So here is Friday. No, it's actually not. It's Friday week. How will we know? Don't know. But the thing is, what we should do is do our trade plans, be in profit, or get out when NFP comes. Then we will see what happens, because it all depends. Is it good? Is it a very strong number? Dollar bullishes. Is it a weak number? We're gonna dollar bearishness. There you go. I have my opinion already there. Buy the dip before you buy. What is your call on gold? We will do gold very soon. Can you sell Aussie dollar? Well, if it reverses, despite the sudden lockdown, Aussie and New Zealand are bullish, bro. Okay, cool. Let's go through Euro pound. No, should we do Euro pound? Pound dollar maybe. I would do pound dollar. Okay, I can do pound dollar. So on Euro, by the way, I will be looking to buy. Sorry, I will make this trade plan very specific. I will do that. I will try to do that, and then we'll just see what happens. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Whatever. Get out of here, alligator. Pound. It's a bit weaker. I would probably do the same thing here as well. You know, either that or that. I don't know which one I want to get, but something like that. That is very vulnerable, by the way. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. But what I want to say to you is that's the trend. So if we're going to continue the trend, that is the two options I have. Which one am I getting? That depends on the market. I will depend on the market, but I will probably most likely have to rely on 137.20 going up to 138.50. If it just goes up to 138.50 before me, and it will not be, okay. I am humble enough. I will focus on the yens more than anything else. Okay? Thank you very much. Boom. Happy weekend. Happy week. The other thing is what? Pound yen, same situation. I'm just going to mention the currency where prices I'm thinking of. 150.74 or 152.50, or higher high, higher low, or back down here. We shall see which one I'm getting at. Getting. So that was a very fast one, pound. I am yen bearish. That means this one going higher. And I hope that pound will find some strength throughout this time. So if you're looking into the COT reports, we're currently very bullish on dollar. No, the COT, which is the hedge funds, are very bullish on the euro, on dollar at the moment. They have a bullish trend, which also has the XY also a bullish trend. And even this week they added more buys. So interesting enough. And then the other thing that I want to mention to you is Euro. Euro USD this week has more shorts coming in and has less buyers coming in or getting out, meaning some buyers took profit and added shorts instead. We're still heavily long, still, but a bit less than we were before. Those are the ones there coming into gold. You also want to do gold. Always want to do gold. You guys love gold, so we do gold as well. We have 14,000 more new buys and 4,000 less sells, making it more bullish. What does that mean? That means that hedge fund managers that is in there to make money is loading up on gold. Maybe we can finally get some gold bullishness. Who knows? That is what I'm looking for at the moment. Okay, great. Sounds like a rabbit. That was that one. And then we have another one that is so boring to look at, but I'm going to do it very fast. It is the retail sentiment. You do opposite, okay? Net long, net short, net long, net short, net long, net short. This one, not really strong to one either side, okay? Not strong to either side, very, equal. But if you look at, for example, they're buying Euro Swiss a lot, by the way. And then they are for Euro, very in between. Pound yen, loading up shorts. That is great because I want this to go higher. Pound dollar is a bit. I want to be around 70 before I'm really like, oh, this is awesome. But 60 is better than 50. So maybe it will fall. USD CAD has a lot of buyers. That's one probably will fall. So, and then they have added shorts to New Zealand dollar. That is great because then I would buy. Cool, great, fantastic. Boo, yeah. What else? So, if we go opposite of 60-40 and we start buying Euro Yen, same thing with Pound Yen, 60-40 almost. And then Aussie Yen, that was not so great. Okay, cool. Then I would look into those pairs instead. Looking into USD CAD, I know someone who asked for it very fast. I will do that very fast. Okay, what is this market? I don't know what this is. You tell me what this is, because most of you want to do dollar today, and then some of them want to do gold. So mostly dollar. Okay. Then I just want to say that I don't know. Is this bullish? Is this bearish? Is this something? I don't know. You tell me. If we are currently at support, we can break support, we can go higher for support. I don't know. I wanted to be up here to sell it more than anything else, by the way. And 127, sell off 127, down to 126. I would rather see a break of 126 and then sell before anything else. And if I was a buyer, I would have held 126.30. So, I don't know. Go back on next week. Euro pound, I will do those. Yes, I will do those. Do not worry about that. Well, this week I am opposite side. Well, whatever. Well, what are you doing this week, investor? Dollar in general is still bullish inversely. We can expect gold to go bearish. You can, yes, say here. Very, yes, absolutely viable, valid theory. Yes, absolutely. Luke says, can you do NASDAQ 100? Buy it. What else do you want me to do? Yeah, like it's a buy. How do you find the buy? I don't know where you find buys, but you probably found buys at around support around 15. Cool. Wait for that. I will go to monthly pivots. And I will say, okay, I will put a buy order at 15.19 and a buy order at 15.06 and see what happens after that. Oh yeah, bye-bye. Hurricane is heading to US oil plants, expect oil to rise. Okay, that is short term. It depends on how long and how many days they are going to shut down. And you have to see that they're actually shutting down their... what do you call it, the platforms. If not, it's going to just be in one day. Next day, it's going to be lower than it was today. So make sure that when you do such strategy, looking for those related news related items, be sure that it can end very fast. Know where you're buying, don't buy anything else. Yeah, okay, I agree. But yeah, dollar bullishness on euro on Aussie is very viable trading plans, by the way. I'm just saying, I'm just looking to buy yen pairs instead. That's what I do. You're very much welcome. How to place stop loss and take profit. Let's see. YouTube. And then you go to, well, that's when you see all my research. And then stop loss. Ivan FX. Let's see. Is there any stop loss? Wow! There is a stop loss strategy that I have made. Only 153 people have seen it. So, there you go. Very much welcome. And then I can maybe copy link something. Copy link. There you go. That's how you put stop loss. And then I would say how to take profit. Well, my where am I? What am I? Where am I in my brain now? Take profit. Target that I show here. That's what I will take profit. Here at 82.80 I will take profit on the monthly. On the weekly I would take at 148, 180, 144. I sent you a link, didn't I? Well, something went wrong apparently. Okay. So I will find a new link then. Okay, I will find it then. Again. Stop loss, Ivan FX. Why did I send the wrong one? Surely. Now. Is that the right one? It can't be wrong twice. Can it? It says stop loss like a pro. Sure. So cool. Having fun. Share. I will share it to you, my brother, and on Telegram. That's where it's supposed to be, and then on Discord afterwards. Yeah, cool. Have fun. How to set stop loss. What else are we supposed to do today? Cool. Farid Kaya says, "Sir, can you suggest how low gold can go? I am stuck in a cell lower level at 1737. Yeah, I'm just wondering, bro. Like, you know, why do some people find it and somebody else doesn't? But yeah, cool. Have fun. Do you have a Telegram channel? Yes, I do. Actually, by the way, people, I do have a Telegram channel. I'm not so active there, so I don't want to promote it that much. But if you surely want, I can give you one link to a Telegram channel. What is more bullish this season, dollar or Ronaldo? Ronaldo is definitely the most bullish one this season, by the way, without any doubt. So we can go into, how long have we been going on for? 30 minutes. Okay, gold. We can go to gold. Okay, gold traders. So where do I think my money is going to come from this week? I think actually yen pairs are going to be the most profitable this week, though. Oscar joined the Discord. Welcome, very much welcome. Okay, so how low can it go? First of all, Mr. Farid, If you're a seller, this is your sell. So, if you're a seller, this might have been your sell. But stop loss. For the love of God, please. Stop loss. Get out when you can't. Ben joined, very much welcome. Sarah joined today, welcome. I'll just delete, quit Telegram. How low can it go? Also, if this turns lower than 1780, that's like the line you need to cross. It can go very far. Is it going to go down tomorrow? I don't know. That's not my trade. That's not how I trade. I would say this is bullish, and so far it can only go higher until it doesn't. So, if I'm going to do anything technically here, I'm going to buy it. So, if you're a seller, you need to get out when you no longer have the technical buys. And I know people have 200, 300, 400 pips on loss, and I'm like, oh my, why do you do that, okay? Please, I want you to succeed, but you have to take stop loss. You have to be, okay, I know that you want this to fall, but you can't be like that. The market isn't like that. You know, you can't say, well, I wanted to buy Porsche 911, but I just bought a Volkswagen Golf. And I'm going to drive as fast as a 911, but you only have a Golf. Volkswagen Golf. So, my point is, trade reality. Learn reality. Don't make up excuses or say, well, I want this to fall. So please, God, let it fall, let me fall, let it fall, let it fall, let it fall, let it fall. God doesn't listen to that. I'm sorry. I've tried that. It doesn't work. Market will do what it does. You just need to join the manipulation in whatever direction you have. And most of the traders went out here as sellers. That's why we're seeing buyers coming in. We're seeing buyers on the COTO board. We're seeing bullish trade action. And it might fall again for the rest of the season, yes. But I don't know short term if it's going to go fall tomorrow. Buy the dip. True money management. What stop loss will you suggest for gold? Previous lows. Let's see. Let's see here. So if I am buying here, I want to have a stop loss down here. So that's very far, by the way. But that's kind of either that, or you go say here I want to buy here, and you have stop loss here, and you take it to break even, and then you're out. Okay. You try again, but I want technically for it to be below. And if that's too much for your account, you should actually have 1 million to trade, gold. You know that? You should have 1 million in your account to trade gold. Because those who trade gold is in it to not make money, just to have their money stable. That's you can't make it a Porsche when it's a Golf. Gold is not to be made money of. It is to keep your money. As a multi-millionaire, as a central bank, as a government, keep your money, keep your value. Bitcoin is too volatile for a central bank. Gold, well, everyone buys it, so it keeps the value. It doesn't move too much. It goes up in the end. It doesn't pay you interest rate, and by the way, it has gone from 2000 to 1680. At 18% fall, but you remember we rose 40%. We just gone back down half, and now we are up. We're up 24%. That is what the market is still doing. Okay, they still have those gains from COVID times. So, yeah, there we go. 1800 can be a buy level, absolutely. Okay, I'll smoke and come back, bro. Yeah, well, have fun. Don't smoke me out, though. I don't want to be in your puff. Tomorrow, UK has bank holiday, so London session is going to be quiet. Thank you, Oscar. I didn't know that, but doesn't say in my kind of a calendar, does it? You know. So, as a gold trader, be careful. I don't want you to trade gold. If you want to trade gold and you want to talk about gold, I can show you. I can make a video on my strategy to trade gold, and you probably will love it. That's at least my opinion. But that doesn't make you make money on it. Whatever I do is not necessarily what you want me to do. It's kind of like, yeah, there's no bank holiday here. That's why I didn't know. But thank you, Oscar. What's important this week? A lot of news coming out, but NFP on Friday is important. Some PMIs can move the market on Wednesday. Some unemployment rates can move it on Tuesday. So, you know, fun. Nothing to be worried about, but fun. You know, something to move the market, something to move it things. So, please make a video on how to trade gold. I'll just need to make up a couple of trades, I would say, in reality, you know, keep things in real. I don't know if it's trading demo on gold is really something you would like, so I think I have to do real. So, I will try. CAD-yen. Yes, I will do CAD-yen, yes. Yes, sir. So, how was August for you? Sorry, how was August for you? Well, 1,700 pips on the forecast. That's okay. I can do that. Currently, CAD-yen, I want this to go higher, and I don't buy any dip, I guess. Up to 88.28. If it falls below 86.50, though it's not the measurement, it's not financial advice, by the way, whatsoever. It's just my personal opinion. Or if it doesn't hold 86.50, I will then wait for it to come down here. So what will I do? I will do my normal lot size of 1%. I will lose 1% here, and I will say, okay, cool. I will take it from here. I will try once again, and I will take it up. Sorry, 0.5%, 0.5%, and then 0.5%, and I'll see which one will take it. Good day, Ahmad. Good day. Great stuff, Miss Blake. So, did you guys like this video or not? Yeah, because of you and your stuff. So, what I wanted to show you today was seasonality. Dollar bearishness, yen bearishness, euro bullishness for September. I don't know if that's going to happen. This year is different. But yeah, August was 1,700 pips on the forecast. And we'll try to do even better this month. So, hopefully yen bearish will do that. August was perfect for me. I know people who has had record trading months, so yeah. Wait and see double tops, wait for the move. Get into the limbo, one pip at a time. Yeah. Of course. So, I'm sorry for not creating weekly forecast video for you. I was here live with you today. The reason for that is I have absolutely too much to do, and I'm sorry that I couldn't do it. And it's basically going into the weekly into the forecasts. No, into the monthly forecast for the mentorship students, and I'm working my butt cheeks off to do the pivot point video for you guys. Okay, I want to make it good. I want to make it perfect. I know I shouldn't do it, but I want to make it for you so you can enjoy the experience and it's not just. So my question is today: has any one of you guys enjoyed this video so much, or this thing so much, that you have actually subscribed? See the live count? We have the live count here at the moment. We have 4,392, and we have one more today. Thank you. If you have a video, if you have a wide pivot explanation from previous week to this week, does that mean it could be a bigger range? Mike, I don't know if I understand you. But yeah, maybe, yeah. Maybe, yeah. Other than that, I think I can't believe that the number is so low. You should have had way more than that. Great stuff. You know what, people? It depends on you. Do you guys see my videos until the end? That is what everything that matters, apparently. So if you guys now put yourself together, put your videos together, your likes together, whatever things that makes these videos work, come early, come within the first hour when I post the pivot point video, put the bell thing on, and then just, so maybe we can make this one go higher. The reason why I do this, and maybe don't say too much, is that I was a struggling Forex student. I didn't have money. I didn't have any mentors. I was in a dark space. I was alone, and I was just sad and lonely. So I created this space to give someone for you to listen to that has gone through the walks of life, and maybe it's humble. Say that I'm failing. I'm open that I'm failing all the time, but mostly the seasonality has been great this year. It's been 2 months that didn't go well. June didn't go well, but May didn't go well. But okay, who cares? There's still more to come, and I love trading because we are still many thousand pips left to this year. Now, things are starting to do. We will catch them all. At least that's what I believe. Will USD go down, Abu Asi? Well, that is absolutely your trading plan. A great one. I will support you in that quest. I will not sell it myself, but it's a very viable trading plan. Currently, it's a higher high. You have to wait for it to reverse before you can sell it, and then you can take it down. Thanks, James. Alibaba stock is looking like a buy to me. I don't like Chinese at the moment. China authorities is absolutely wild at the moment. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for people to have you here. I will look at Alibaba very fast. Other than that, I will start talking about stocks, or not stocks, but indices more, and I will let you in on when I'm gonna buy indices. Just make sure that you follow along. Don't miss out on those opportunities. Is the stock market gonna crash? Probably is, but I wouldn't buy it for the life of me, bro. It's down. All right. I will probably buy something else because it's cracking down on Alibaba at the moment. You should have a Telegram channel to catch up with your YouTube stuff. But I see there is a Telegram channel. There you go. You're very much welcome. And I will try to be more active. You guys need to ask me more questions so we all make it a better world. Okay? Have a great day. Boom. Love you guys. Love your family. I put up a nice shirt for you guys, not to be professional, but because I value you guys. I dress up to be with you guys so we can have a nice time together. That's just how I am comfortable in a nice shirt. That's how I'm comfortable. I hope you guys were comfortable too. Hope you have massive profits this week. Hope you are doing fantastic. Keep your strategy, keep your levels, Don't overtrade 1%. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. And if so, ask me. I'm here. I am alive. I have a phone. I have Discord. I have Telegram. Ask me, and I will try to help as much as you can. And if so, mentorship is open to anyone who needs my help. That's where I'm going to do now. Help them out to make even a better week. Have a fantastic day.